Hello guys! Welcome to this new video. Today, I'll show you how to change your name on Pinterest. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or visit the Pinterest website on your computer. Log into your Pinterest account if you haven't already. On your phone, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap on the three dots, or settings, at the top right corner. Select Public Profile or Edit Profile. Tap on the name field and enter your new name. Save the changes. On your computer, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select Settings from the drop-down menu. Go to the Public Profile section. Enter your new name in the name field and save the changes. That's it. You've successfully changed your name on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more tips. See you in the next video.